To manage your Santander savings account effectively, start by understanding the different ways you can access and control your account. You can manage your account online, through the mobile app, by phone, or in person at a branch. First, register for online banking by visiting the Santander website and following the registration process. This will give you 24/7 access to your account, allowing you to check your balance, view statements, and transfer funds. Next, download the Santander mobile app, which provides a convenient way to manage your account on the go. The app allows you to check your account balance, transfer funds, and even deposit checks remotely. To manage your account by phone, call the Santander customer service number and follow the prompts to access your account information. You can also visit a Santander branch in person to speak with a representative and conduct transactions. It is essential to keep your account information up to date, including your address and contact details. You can do this online, through the mobile app, or by visiting a branch. To transfer funds, log into your online banking or mobile app. Select the account you want to transfer from. Choose the recipient's account, and enter the amount. You can also set up direct debits and standing orders to make regular payments. To keep your account secure, use strong passwords, keep your login details confidential, and monitor your account regularly for any suspicious activity. Finally, take advantage of Santander's account management tools, such as account alerts and budgeting features, to help you stay on top of your finances. By following these steps and using these tools, you can effectively manage your Santander savings account and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your account and any fees associated with it. And contact Santander customer service if you have any questions or concerns. By being proactive and staying informed, you can get the most out of your Santander savings account and make the most of your money.